In this lesson, we'll take a deep dive on constructors. So here is the customer class, and we now know that to create a new customer, we should instantiate the customer class with the new keyword. We also know that customer class uses the default no argument constructor, which is inherited from the object class. When we encapsulate the fields, also called as the variables, using the private keyword, we have to give a setter method to set values, or we can also give a constructor to set those values. Here is our customer class with the setter and getter methods for the name variable. And now we have replaced the setter with a constructor which takes in a value for the name and sets it. Here are some facts about the constructor. Constructors are required to instantiate objects. A constructor looks like a method but does not have a return type. Constructor name should match the class name. So notice that the constructor does not have a return type and the name is same as the class name, which is the customer. Since we have added a constructor which takes in an argument, we should add a no argument constructor also, as the one inherited from the object class is no longer valid. Here is the complete program which instantiates the customer class by sending in an argument for the name to use the first constructor. You can use this constructor way of setting the values when you already know the value when you're instantiating the object. If you do not know the value to be set during instantiation, then you put a setter method that would be used later in the program.